See what it says right there?
That's a nice circle.
That should say, them boys.
Walk that way.
You leave it on. You haven't seen when they take the bonnet off and they leave
Where you put the...
No, I'm saying you can't take it off. You're saying you can't take it off. Yes, you can.
Alright guys, tonight we are heading out to Mexico. My buddy 6.2 HELLCAT is going to go ahead and run a Coyote. This is a Vortech Coyote, so it does have good power, so it should be a very good race between the two. We're rolling with a bunch of Mustangs. So the only Mopar here is my friend here with the HELLCAT, so it's gonna be an interesting night. So there are the cars, that car right there, that white Mustang, and the Challenger are gonna run it. There's some other cars rolling with us as well. Let's see how this goes. So it looks like the HELLCAT's getting it. Hey, who got it?
Oh, what's up?
Who got it?
This who got it.
He got it?
Nice.
Was it bad?
First time, and the second time I fished it, but he got it.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, that's just fucking fast.
So,
Win some, you lose some.
what happened?
Win some, you lose some.
Yeah, bro. No, your car's quick though, I saw. Right away, yeah.
But I caught up, like I saw 30, 140, I started, I breathed up on his ass.
Your shit was shooting flames.
Was it really?
Yeah.
That's fucking dope. 91 too?
What happened?
91?
Yeah, no, he was shooting. I saw.
Like good, decent flames?
Well, I could see him coming out of the tailpipe, yeah. Oh, but y'all were moving, man.
Fuck yeah, bro. We got like five, 6 races.
Yeah. guys, so 6.2 HELLCAT just got a flat. Do you see anything on it? What happened? There is air coming out? Oh, you hear it?
I can hear it.
Oh, yeah, I hear it too. Shit.
It's just going off quick too.
Well, that's no good. Damn. You can try to use like that goo shit that's in your.
I have no idea how to work that. I'm not exactly sure what you're supposed to do.
Oh, you just put it on. I'll show you.
The tire?
Yeah. Exciting life of a racer right here. You see this tube right here?
Yeah.
That's what we gotta plug up.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, fuck on my tire. Can I get it fixed afterwards?
It's gonna get your rim dirty, but not your your tire is gonna be fine. It's gonna hold the air. I'm not sure. Well, what other option do we have right now?
I'm not calling it a tow truck, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
You don't have AAA?
I do, but I'd rather not.
Because it's gonna take forever for them to get here and all that shit.
We are stuck all the way on Is it this one or this one?
I don't know. Let's try.
I think.
Yeah, it's pumping.
Is it?
Yeah, you can see it. It's
Oh.
turned white.
When do you know to stop? Whoa. This one fills it with air too, or are you sure
Yeah,
you have
look.
to use the other one?
Look, it's coming up.
Oh, yeah.
We're almost at 30 psi. Turn it off real quick. Let's see if it's still leaking. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's still leaking? Fuck. Maybe all the goo went to the bottom. We might have to roll your car a little bit.
Roll it?
Yeah. So we just added a bunch of goo into the tire, but it's still leaking, so he's gonna run it real quick just to make sure that the fluid is going evenly in there. Watch out, trunk open. Yeah, this has become a night mission right now. Post Mexico, car gets a flat. We are trying to get it fixed. And hopefully we get it figured out so we can drive home. Shut it off? Yep. It's not leaking anymore.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Alright, now let's pump it back up. Alright guys, so we just had to kind of get the car moving, and then the fluid went to the right place, so now the tire is not leaking anymore, and we should be good to get some pressure in it. So my first time using the actual repair kit, or the goo in a tire. I know it makes a mess inside, but it's better than being stranded out. It's better than being stranded out here where we don't really have any other option at the moment other than getting a tow truck. So gotta pick your battles, I guess. So I think we got it all sorted out. The tire's not leaking anymore. First time using the goo, so hopefully it holds. But we checked the pressure. It's holding at like 28 psi. We don't want to fill it up too much, so it doesn't mess up. But I think it's fine. It's definitely holding. You don't hear anything, and he should be good to just make it home. Worst case, I'm gonna go ahead and just drive over to him and give him my stock SRT wheel because I have one and I have the jack and everything, so we can do that trade-off. You have the wheel lock in the car? Yeah. Okay, so cool. So let's hope we don't need to, but we have a backup plan, which is good. So at least, how far are you from home right now?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. So yeah, I think on the freeway you should be good.
Yeah, I just won't speed.
No, I mean, it shouldn't matter really, whether you speed or not. But yeah. All right, guys. So yeah, that's the end of Mexico for tonight. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me and 6.2 HELLCAT on Instagram. We'll catch you guys later. Peace.